So this one is the grape one. I'm making the Kool-Aid pie. And I'm also putting a little bit of cream cheese in it. That's, you know, you can do that if you want, but you don't have to. So it's Cool Whip, sweet condensed milk, 1 pack. What's up, y'all? So we getting ready to cut the Kool-Aid pie. This is the grape one, and this is the blue raspberry lemonade. I put a little bit of cream cheese in both of them just to see what that tastes like. Because I seen this girl on YouTube, she did it, and she said it tastes really good, so I wanted to test it out. So I'm gonna cut the pie. So this is what the blue raspberry lemonade is looking like. And then I got the grape one that I did already in the freezer. So you just leave it in there for about 2 hours. So the time is 9:28. I'll probably take it out right at 11. So this is the blue raspberry, and I'm gonna come back and let you. Okay, so the grape one is done. So now I'm gonna do the blue raspberry lemonade and just put it in the refrigerator. Okay. Got a little water on here. It tastes like the grape Laffy Taffy. I kid you not. The candy. This shit is. Okay, y'all. So I got both of them on the plate. So I'm going to go ahead and try the grape Kool-Aid pie. So we're going to go ahead and try. Set real good. Damn, the grape one is good. Oh yeah, this is bomb.com. It tastes like Laffy Taffy, I swear to God. Y'all see that? The grape one is fire. So this is the blue raspberry lemonade. That one is fire too. Shout out to Walk, Chilling with Walk, and Be Love Life, because they did a video making these Kool-Aid pies, but I don't know who the originator. I'm not sure. I'm not aware that they're the originator of this pie, but I've seen them do a video and I wanted to try it. This shit is the bomb.com. Okay. I'm out, y'all. Kool-Aid pie recipe is all on YouTube. Get you some Kool-Aid. I want to try an orange one because I know the orange one is going to be off the hook. And I think I'm going to do a strawberry one too. But this shit is bomb. I'ma holla. I'm out.